Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to answer some questions which were asked in the comment section of a video. That was the topic where the conservation of forest and wildlife, and in that topic I had not given the answer and I had not told you about the questions which were asked here. So even though this is a new thing to learn for you also, so please concentrate here and watch this video clearly. Here the food wave, tropic level, and many questions, at least 4 questions were asked here. So I think you must be knowing or not, but it is quite nice video and something you must be learning from this video. So let's get started. So first question was asked that what is a food web? So generally in the previous video I told that the food cycle onwards same as the food web, but what is the difference is that what they eat, that is in ecological community. It has the connection to the food chains and it is like a graphical represented here, a food web or a food cycle. See here what given, even though here it is that food wave or food cycle means the meaning here which is given is of food wave or even can food cycle, so the meaning is same. I think you would understand it. The meaning is same that I told in the previous video also, that living organisms feed on one another and that is called the food cycle, and that is also given here food web, that it is a natural interconnection of food chain. Now food chain is what? You know, and a graphical representation, usually an image of what eats in what in an ecological community. Okay, they are same, but here food wave is an interconnection of food chain. But it means that both are same onwards. A food wave is connected to the food chain onwards. So let's see the figure and understand it. So here is a figure given, and here also written that a food wave shows the transfer of energy within an ecosystem. Energy is transferred between organisms from one organism eats another, when one organism eats another. So in that video also I had made a diagram by myself, and this is the photo image I got it. So you can see here grasses are there. There are grasses, crops. So let's take from here. It is eagle. Eagle can eat this organ. I don't remember the name of this, but eagle can eat, and it can also eat and rat. And 1 minute. Yes. So it this animal eats this crab. Crab eats the fishes. Fishes came from where? The water. And these soil elements have the spread of these mushrooms that are growing, and this is grown from where? The grasses. So this is a food web, that the plants were eaten by the insects were eaten by the rat were eaten by this animal, I don't remember, but you must be knowing. And rat can even be eaten by the eagle, and this is eaten by eagle. This crab is eaten by this animal, and a fish is eaten by the crab. They are came from the water, and that insects also eat that is also eaten by the eat fish, and that are. So here is the figure also given. You can watch it or you can see it, and I think you must be understanding it. A food web shows the transfer of energy within an ecosystem. Energy is transferred between organisms when one organism eats another. As food chain onwards, one organism is feeding on one another, and the uh, the the energy present in an organism transfer into another one that eats it. Okay, it is very easy to learn. Let's see about the tropic level. The next question: what is tropic level? A tropic level refers to a step in a nutritive series or food chain in an ecosystem. It means there is a tropic level by a stepwise, and it have a nutritive series or a food chain. Same as like these topics are connected with each other, and that you have asked. Each of the categories above is called a tropic level. It means above means the figure I am going to show you, that is only written the point here, so don't get confused. And it reflects how many consumption steps separate an organism from the food chain's original energy source such as light. It means that like the same as the food chain or a food wave, there is a, it is told that tropic level, there is a level. Okay, like figures I will show you. There is a level in which there are total five levels, five tropic level. And about the tropic level, types of tropic level, I would be telling you in my another video. But till that, I am answering the questions asked by you. So that chains, food chains energy, our energy source is taken to the another organism when it feeds on that, and the consumption of the nutrients and the energy is taken by another, and that is about the tropic level, like increasing, that is called that tropic level. It is very easy. You can check out this point. You can see this point. This is a short form of this full paragraph. A tropic level refers to a step in a nutritive series or food chain in an ecosystem. That what I told, that there is a tropic level, there are the animals feeding on one another, and the nutrition gets into another and organisms. That is a nutritive series or a food chain in an ecosystem. Let's see the next topic. It means the next topic, that is the figure onwards firstly. So here is the figure. I had told that there are types also of this consumers of tropic level, and this is called the tropic level. You can see this is a level which is increasing. So these are the primary consumers, these are secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. The eagle eats of the snake eats of the rabbits. And the primary producers means this, and these are the grasses, the nature, which are eaten by this animal, primary consumers. So there are 5 types, but here it is mentioned this. This is only the tropic level. I think you understood very clearly. Let's see the next question. So this is the third question, that is why the materials flow in food chain is cyclic. It means let's choose the color first. So it means the materials which flow in a food chain is cyclic. It is a cyclic, but why it is so? So this materials means the materials can then be reused for the growth of new plants. So materials which released, the materials flow in food chain can be used by the plants or the new plants for the growth of new plants. In this way, the same materials are used again and again. So samely, the materials used again and again, and the materials are not lost from the environment. It is never blind off. Okay, never lost. So the flow of materials like water, carbon and nitrogen, the examples also given here, in the ecosystem is said to be cyclic. And it can be reused again many times for the growth of plants. So it is called cyclic.